Hey, so what's up everybody? It's Kelvin back here again. So today we have a HP, it's kind of an old school one, 4230S. Here it is. It's not powering on. And when you plug in the charger, here it is, the motherboard, it's out. There it is. Plug in the charger, a tiny LED indicator for the charger comes on, but there is a particular component on the motherboard that's overheating like crazy right there. I don't know if you can hear the noise, but it's evaporating like really bad. It's actually hot, you can't even touch it right over here. So we're going to try and figure out if we can fix this. We replace the components, we figure out where the short is coming from, and hope it will be a success. Let's start. So surprise surprise, right here there's a tiny resistor that seems to be overheating. I don't know if you can see it. It's a tiny resistor right there. And I want to measure it and see what's the value. It's not even giving me any value, so most likely that's most probably that's why it's even shutting out. Another status update. So a bit of bad news and boring a little bit because of the repair that we are about to do. The I/O, there was a short around the I/O. All these capacitors were shot into ground, but it's common when the I/O has failed. This is the I/O. It's an IC, it regulates, delivers power to USB ports, to the keyboard and everything. So we have just checked out the number, and we have gotten a donor board where we can get it out from. We're going to take it out of this folio. It's a folio, and hoping that this one is also okay. An easier way of checking out if the I/O is full, just connecting the one probe to the negative and the other one around the capacitors on the I/O. Most times it will tell you if the I/O is okay, and that's how I found out that the other I/O was bad. We're just checking it, going around all the pins that are attached to capacitors. If a capacitor is shorting to ground, easily tell. Like this one, all around is okay. So let's take it out. Hard part, laying it and making sure that all the pins are well connected and they're not shorting out. Crazy, a crazy repair, but it's doable. If the I/O is okay, then expect this repair to be a success. Quite easy, not easy to clean this area. Make your hair go crazy. So it's crazy, but like I said, you still have to do it. It has to be a success. Okay, I think on the first try, I think we got it. I think we got it on the first try. Some of our legs are okay. Let's proceed. Just making sure that there's contact, and then you have to go through every single pin. That is all good. Add more flux. Alright, let's move. You have a fan spin, amazing, and instant. So let's see if the display is working and if the machine is turning on as it should. But I've just seen this fan spin and the constant orange light is gone. So replacing the I/O was a success. Let's connect the LCD screen cable. Let's see if we have a fan spin. This display. Yeah, a display. Amazing. Successfully repaired. Amazing. So and then we call it a day after this. Amazing. The machine works after replacing the I/O that was completely shorted out. So HP repairs, Mac repairs, visit us. So we work on all of them.